This is one square on the grid. As you can clearly see, there are 7 filled squares in this shape. This means that our shape, the minimum size for our shape could be 7 centimeters squared. However, this isn't the correct answer. You can also draw a box around the shape to get this shape here, with dimensions 4 by 6 for a total of 24 centimeters squared. This also isn't the correct answer, but if we can work out, we know that there's at least 7 filled squares and that there's no more than 24 filled squares, so we can safely say that our area has to fall within the bounds of 7 centimeters squared and 24 centimeters squared. There are 2 half triangles on our shape in addition to the 7 centimeters squared previously mentioned. We can put these together to get a shape that is just slightly over 1 centimeter squared, so let's say it's 1.1 for now. Similarly to how we worked out the 2 triangle shapes, we can have a look at the various other shapes around on our shape. If we look at the borders, we can often just estimate, like, say, take a circular piece, and we can say, imagine if it was rectangular, how many of these would it take to fill a square? And by taking these various size pieces, we can get a rough estimation of how much area our shape occupies. Try to make it up to ones, because filling up 1 square is the easiest measure to work with. Add all of our estimations up and we get a value of 12.9, which we then round to 13 centimeters squared. However, there may be some variance in your values, because we could get anything between 12.5 and 13.4 and still get the same answer. So don't worry too much about getting exactly the right decimal places.